Hello, Center 2. So today for phonics, we will continue with consonant blends, but we're not looking at the beginning. We're now looking at the end. So here's an example. I'll write the word from over this side, F-R-O-M, and I will also write the word front over here, F-R-O-N-T. Now, if I'm looking for the beginning consonant blend that starts from the beginning, remember consonants are all the letters that are not vowels. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. Those are vowels. All the other letters that are not vowels are consonants. So letters like C, B, M, P, L, S, and we can go on and on and on, right? Lots of other letters. There are many consonants more than vowels, right? So when consonants are together, they form blends. They make a sound together. That's why they call them blends. So we have blends at the beginning of the word. That's why we call them beginning consonant blends. And we have blends at the end of the word with consonants. So we call them final consonant blends. So let's look at here. We have the word from. F and R are consonants and they're at the beginning of the word, so they're beginning consonant blends. So if I was looking for the blends, I would circle this. And then we have the word front, but I'm looking for the ending consonant blends in this word, the final consonant blends. So because it says final, I will not be looking for the two consonants at the front, but I'll be looking for the consonants at the end. So I will be circling the end here. So this is just a quick example, okay? So what we're gonna be doing today is from our phonics workbook, level D, page 17. So please get your phonics book so you can follow along with me. Page 17 in our phonics workbook, level D, the orange phonics book. Okay, so if you're at page 17, you will notice it has these words in it. For number 1, it has the word tin hyphen tint. And 2, it has the word king hyphen kit. So I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be practicing to look for final consonant blends. Okay, so on page 17 at the top, the instructions say, circle the word in each pair in which you hear a final blend. So this is a pair because there are two words together. So when two things are together, they become a pair. So this is what it means by pair. And it wants you to circle the word, because you're only going to circle one from each pair, that you hear the final blend in. So let's take a look at what we're going to be doing. So number 1 is the word tin. If I look at all of these letters, there's a T, an I, and an N. There are no consonant final blends at the end because there's an I here. The I is a vowel, so it's not blending with the N. It's not a consonant that's blending with the N. Okay, so let's take a look at the word tint. There's a T, I, and T. At the end, there are two consonants blending, the N and the T. This is a consonant, this is a consonant, and they're blending at the end of the word. So I will circle this word because this word has NT as the consonant blend. They're both consonants, they're at the end of the word, and they're blending together to form the sound nt. So tint, nt, right? Tint. Good. So let's take a look at number 2. We have the word king and we have the word kit. Now if I look, do you see consonants together at the end of the word? Very good. So if you're looking, you're going to see the N and the G are consonants and they're at the end of the word forming that blend. They blend together to make the sound in the word king, right? Now this one has the I before the T, so there's not two consonants at the end. So I cannot go ahead and circle that word. So I will circle this word because it has the consonant blend at the end. It has two consonants at the end, right? Now, take a good look at all the other words and go ahead and circle the words that are blending with final consonants at the end. So you're looking for the words that have consonants that are together to make the sound at the end of the word. So go ahead and finish that. And then you can go to the next slide when you're finished to check your answers.